Do you have a hobby you love and dream of turning into a profitable business? Whether it's baking, painting, gaming, or crafting, your passion can be the foundation of a thriving business. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to transform your hobby into a money-making venture. We'll cover how to identify your market, build your brand, and monetize your skills, along with the tools you need to get started. By the end, you'll have everything you need to turn your passion into a profitable business. So let's get started. Step 1. Evaluate your hobby. The first step to turning your hobby into a business is understanding its potential. Ask yourself, does it solve a problem or bring value to people? Are there others who share your interest and are willing to pay for it? Can you see yourself doing this long-term? Example, if you're a photographer, you could offer portrait sessions, sell stock photos, or teach others how to take stunning pictures. Pro tip, test the waters by sharing your work on social media or local groups to gauge interest. Step 2. Research your market. Next, dive into market research. Understand who your ideal customers are, their needs, and how your hobby fits into their lives. Use tools like Google Trends to explore what's trending in your niche and SEMrush to analyze competitors. SEMrush is an excellent tool for understanding your competition and finding opportunities. Use the link in the description to try it out. Example, if your hobby is baking, research what types of baked goods are in demand. Gluten-free options, designer cakes, or home-baked cookies. Step 3. Create a business plan. Every successful business starts with a solid plan. Outline your goals, target audience, pricing, and how you'll deliver your product or service. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. Tips. Start small and grow gradually. Use templates from Canva to create visually appealing business plans. Canva's free templates make designing a business plan simple and fun. Check out the link in the description to get started. Step 4. Build your brand. Your brand is your identity. It's how customers will recognize and connect with you. Focus on creating a memorable logo, catchy tagline, and a strong online presence. Platforms like Fiverr can help you get affordable designs or even branding experts. Tips. Choose a name that reflects your hobby and business. Use Squarespace to set up a professional website where customers can find and purchase your products or services. Step 5. Monetize your hobby. Now comes the exciting part, monetizing your passion. Here are a few ideas. Sell products or services. Create physical items, digital downloads, or offer your expertise as a service. Offer online courses or tutorials. Use platforms like Teachable to sell courses. Start a YouTube channel. Share your hobby journey and monetize through ads and sponsorships. Affiliate marketing. Recommend tools or products related to your hobby and earn commissions. Example, if you're into fitness, create a workout plan and sell it as a downloadable PDF or offer personal coaching sessions online. Step 6. Promote your business. To attract customers, you'll need a solid marketing strategy. Here are some effective ways to promote your new business. Social media. Share behind-the-scenes content and engage with your audience. Use tools like Later to schedule posts. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with creators who align with your niche. Email marketing. Use platforms like MailChimp to keep your audience updated. Paid ads. Start small with Facebook or Instagram ads to boost visibility. Links to Later and MailChimp are in the description. Check them out to simplify your marketing efforts. Step 7. Stay consistent and adapt. Success doesn't happen overnight. Be patient, consistent, and willing to adapt based on customer feedback. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your progress and make data-driven decisions. Pro tip, celebrate small wins and keep learning. Your journey as a business owner is a marathon, not a sprint. And there you have it, a full guide to turning your hobby into a profitable business. Remember, it starts with passion, but with the right tools, strategies, and consistency, you can make your dreams a reality. If you're ready to get started, check out the tools mentioned in the description. From building your brand to promoting your products, these resources will make your journey smoother. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more entrepreneurial tips, and drop a comment below sharing your hobby. Who knows, it could inspire someone else. Like, subscribe, and share your hobby in the comments.